So I have a 2004 Hummer H2 replacing the condenser. It was diagged by another shop. So this hood has a hood release inside the cab. It's your standard hood release. And it has these latches here. But we're going to be taking off this front bracket. So what I had to do is get a rope, tie it here, and I got slack in this line, so when I take this off, that hood's not going to fall back and get a dent in it. So take out these horns, this 10mm, and then there's a bracket bolt right behind here. Pull up this seal, set it aside. So there is a horn on both sides. Brackets. And 13mm bolts. Four of these will go across. Two more 13mm bolts right here in the front. These spring bolts. We got all those bolts and the seal removed. We could pick it up and move this out of the way. Condenser got two lines going to it. The upper one is very easy to get to, 13mm. That was supposed to be empty, to be honest with you. The bottom one, if you come to the passenger side, the front fender, there's a little hole here, and then you can see it. So you got a long extension. Get that sucker on there. Nut still on the socket. Well, what I'm going to do, because this fender is kind of in the way, it's got these little tabs here, and take one of these tools. I like the long ones. You can use at Harbor Freight, or I'll put a link to the tool in the description. This is a lot easier than using pliers or something. Just get underneath there, pull that tab out, and they come right out. Got one more right here. Couple up here that we need to take out. Alright, now I've got that bottom line unhooked. Should just pull up. Be careful not to hit the radiator. Ooh. So what do we got here? This is covered in goo. That's a sign that it was leaking, and it collects dirt around that oil. It's packed, the fins are packed, so it's not going to cool properly. You're just not going to have good AC. What you want to do is match up your new part with your old part, make sure it looks the same. Here's a new part. I ordered it and it was black. And it comes in silver. So, but when you look at the new one, make sure that it's not been damaged in shipping. Look at your fins, make sure they're not broken, pushed in, or the aluminum passageways. There's no dents in there. The aftermarket ones, the replacement ones, are never going to be as durable as the stock ones. This one doesn't even look like it's stock. This car is 20 years old, so this is probably the second one that's been on it. And looking down here, I see that there's a bunch of leaves, bunch of junk, so I'm going to clean that out and make sure that it's just nice and clean in there. So the lines that go to this condenser, they have these gaskets. The one on this particular vehicle, the gaskets have this aluminum lining, and the inside is the seal. So I got this assorted pack, and just take off the old one from the line, and we just match it up. I found a suitable match. Just put them side by side, and they're relatively the same. You can see on the old one it's flat. Whenever you got a flat gasket, that is not good. Needs to be replaced. The new one is you can run your finger across it and you can feel it is raised. It's not pushed in. I replaced these two gaskets and I cleaned this out as best as I could. I forgot of course today is the day I decided not to bring my leaf blower to blow this all out, so that's the best I could get it. It's kind of hard to get my hands down in there and get the rest, so the majority is gone. This condenser has these little brackets on below here that just sets in, and the top part is bolted on with another bracket. The new one didn't come with these in there, so you gotta put them in yourself. They are a 5mm. Hand tight is going to be good. Right now we got the studs in. We inspected it and there's no dents. We're gonna slide it in. Just be careful not to damage the condenser, not to nick up the radiator. If you need to, you can put cardboard down